Now here's meteorologist Pete Mangione with your first forecast.
Well, in just one day, it feels like we went from the peak of summer directly into fall. Almost a fall-like day out there right now. We have mostly cloudy skies, a cool, brisk wind from the northeast. 66 is your actual temperature. Dew point is low, so that means humidity is at comfortable levels. Winds are out of the northeast at 15 miles an hour, so that 66 degrees feels even a little bit cooler than that. As we look at live pinpoint Doppler 12, notice there are some showers that we're tracking, some downpours actually across Connecticut, riding along 395. Now, most of these showers are moving from south to north, so it's not going to make a direct beeline at us, but it's possible we get clipped by a few of these showers and downpours over the next several hours, especially down there towards Narragansett and Newport. Temperatures will stay in the 60s today. Chance of some more showers on the way tonight, and then some changes for the weekend. I'll have more details coming up in just a few minutes.
Now here's meteorologist Pete Mangione with your live pinpoint Doppler 12 futurecast.
Well, I am tracking some showers right now on live pinpoint Doppler 12. We'll get to that in just a second. First, though, it is remarkable how far the temperatures have fallen. Look at this right now. We're still 61 degrees in Smithfield, 66 Providence, 65 in Newport. Of course, that's a huge change from the heat wave that we just went through. You combine the temperatures with these wind speeds. Right now, they are brisk out of the northeast at around 15 miles an hour in Providence, 13 miles an hour in New Bedford, and that's making those temperatures feel even cooler than those numbers actually indicate. Speaking of those winds, you can see the flag flapping here on the URI campus. Lots of cloud cover overhead, occasionally some showers passing on through, although for the most part, we've avoided most of the heavy stuff. Now, there are some heavy downpours right now out here in Connecticut along 395. Now, for the most part, these are moving from south to north, so a lot of this stuff will actually miss us, but over the next several hours, you may actually start to see some of these showers expand and stretch into northwestern Rhode Island and other parts of the state. Also, we have to keep an eye on this down here. These are some showers right now around Block Island. Those are moving off to the north, so Newport, Jamestown, Narragansett, Tiverton, these areas may see the rainfall pick up a bit over the next hour. In terms of thunderstorms, right now there is no lightning showing up. However, a rumble of thunder is possible, although because the atmosphere is so cool at the surface, it may be hard to generate that thunder today. There's a chance of some thunder on the way tonight as the center of low pressure passes just off to our south. In fact, between about 2 p.m. and 8 p.m., notice how the colors, the green thickens up here, indicating that the chance of those showers does start to increase and the frequency of the showers increases. And then into the overnight hours, notice the yellows pushing through around midnight. Could see some downpours, even a thunderstorm. I think most of the heavy stuff will stay out towards the Cape Cod Canal, the Outer Cape, and places like New Bedford. However, it's possible a few of those showers and downpours do make it into Rhode Island. This is tomorrow morning at 11 o'clock. The showers are still possible. Then into the afternoon, I am expecting to push most of those showers away, so it could be a sunny finish to your Friday. All right, we've been talking a lot about the humidity. Very low today, comfortable, 58 degrees. We increase it a little bit tomorrow up to around 62. And then Saturday, we'll call it muggy, but keep in mind, during the heat wave, we were way up here, so it's not even close to that, so we don't have to be too concerned about another heat wave on the way. Satellite picture is showing that trail of moisture moving in from the south. Again, here's that center of low pressure, which is going to pass just down to our south overnight. Here's the latest on Tropical Storm Dorian. Right now, winds 58 miles an hour. Dorian will make its way to the west, and keep in mind, this is Tuesday morning. It's still out here towards Puerto Rico. After this, the forecast is very uncertain, of course, because the ocean temperatures are so warm. We do want to track this carefully. Warm temperatures at the ocean can often fuel those storms, but way too early to make any calls on the mainland United States threat. All right, 7-day futurecast shows a sunny finish by tomorrow afternoon. We'll get those temperatures back into the 70s. 85, so warmer on Saturday. Chance of some showers and storms Sunday into Monday. Temperatures still in the 80s, and then Tuesday and Wednesday looking good. So kind of a brisk day out there, Danielle. We went from the complaint department of being too hot to being too cool. We're right through the middle.
It's absolutely true. People were actually complaining when I was out that it was cold. We don't have a lot of sunlight going on in our neck of the woods today. Kind of cloudy and a little rainy out there at times, right, Pete?
Yeah, I don't think Amera would help. We have plenty of clouds around. Showers will be around this afternoon. A few of those could be heavy at times, and even a rumble of thunder is possible, especially Tonight, we're on the lookout for some of those heavier downpours. Tomorrow, showers around in the morning, clearing in the afternoon, although it will be a slow clearing, maybe not sun until late afternoon, and then warm for the start of the weekend, 85 on Saturday.
All right, Pete, thanks so much. And quickly, we want to let you know that we will be carrying that news conference from Portsmouth Police Department live on our website on WPRI.com as we track developments in an apparent abduction case in Portsmouth. We'll see you tonight at 5 for the latest on that story as well.